Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we'll discuss about the Infosys coding questions. As you know that today Infosys is conducting the exam, so it has various sections. So in this video we'll discuss about the coding questions. So there were two coding questions. It's a hands-on coding, so we'll discuss both of these coding questions. So the first coding question, suppose you are given an integer, three integers, it can be n, x and k, where n is divisible by k, and your task is that you need to construct an array A of size n such that they have mentioned three conditions. The first thing is that the product of each segment of length k, it should be equal to x, and the second thing is that the elements, it should fall between 2 and x, and the array, it should be a lexicographically minimal. So when you have two arrays, out of two which is having the minimal, so lexicographical order, you are supposed to consider that. So this is mentioned in the first condition, and later they have defined p is equal to 10 raised to 9 plus 9, and you need to find the sum of array of I into p raised to I modulo 10 power of 9 plus 7, and considering the indexing starts from 0, and if there is no answer exists, then you are supposed to print -1. So input format is that the first line, it contains an integer n, and which denotes the number of elements, and the second contains an integer x, which denotes a condition integer, and the third line contains a key, it denotes the length of the segment. So as mentioned, the first thing is that the first step what you are supposed to do is that so first we have to find the product. So product of every sub array which is having the length k, so here k value is 2, so you are supposed to find the product of it. So array of you need to consider, so suppose k is 2, so the product of the array of elements, that is at the index I, and then the first index array of 0 into array of 1, so the product of those elements, it should be equal to one value. Suppose it should be equal to 8. So here k value is 2, so you need to make sure that the product of the two array elements, it should be equal to the value of x, which is 8, and then other thing is that, and they also mentioned that the element, it should be between 2 and x. So x is 8, so it shouldn't exceed 8, and it should lie between 2 to 8. And the next thing is that then you are supposed to find the possible valid arrays, and also they mentioned it should be the lexicographically, it should be the smallest one. And then once you get the array, so once you get the array, you are supposed to, so first thing is that when the k value is 2, so how you can find the product is that in order to get the x as 8, so you can do 2 into 4 is equal to 8 combination, and the other thing is 4 into 2 you can do, so 4 into 2 you can do, and then similarly the other thing is that 2 into 4, so which is equal to 8, and the possible array elements, it would be 2, 4 as well as, so it will construct an array that is 2, 4, 2, 4, and you are supposed to find the product with using the contiguous array, that is we have done 2 into 4, 4 into 2, and 2 into 4, which results in 8, and you can see that it lies between the order, so it is smallest, and it lies between the 2 to 8 array elements, and later you just need to find the, you need to compute the sum. So here they have mentioned you need to find the sum. For that you can directly apply array of I into p raised to I, and modulo you can find this and you can just return the sum. If no answer exists, you can print -1. So this was the first coding question, and coming to the second coding question. So the second coding question, like offense, it has n post and each post can be painted with one of C colors, and the painting post I with color C, it cost of I and C, cost of I C, and so the two condition is that the no to adjacent post, they must have same color, and also you should have a total budget of B, so it should not exceed the budget. So your task is that you need to find the minimum total cost which is needed to paint all the n post and with no adjacent post having same color. So as mentioned, the cost, it should be less than equal to B, it shouldn't exceed B, and you need to make sure that you find the minimum total cost and there should be no adjacent post with same color, and or else you are supposed to return -1 if there is no valid paint exist within the budget. So the input format is that it will so you will contain a first line contains an integer n, here n is 3, and second line it contains an integer C which denotes the number of colors, so 3 colors, and the third line contains an integer B which denotes the maximum total budget, painting budget. So B is the budget, so the minimum total cost, it should not exceed 10. It can be either 10 or less than that, but not 10, not more than 10. And also they have given the cost like an array of integers which represents the row I of the cost. So so first thing, the condition is that no post can have the same, like adjacent post shouldn't have the same paint. So suppose if we have the post with the red, blue, red and green, we can call it as a valid thing, and invalid is like suppose if we have the red adjacent, so 2 red, it is not allowed. So make sure you check for the valid post and then you are supposed to return. And also the other thing is that, as mentioned, it should not exceed the budget B. So this is the coding question, and you just need to find the minimum total cost which is needed to paint all the post. Suppose if it is exceeding the budget, you have to return -1. So these were the two coding questions which was asked in the Infosys on today morning. So make sure you go to this video, and if you are preparing for the Infosys coding question, so it will be helpful for you. So do watch the video completely and do like the video. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.